वालिदैन से गुजारिश है कि स्कूल के YouTube चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए। इसका फ़ायदा ये होगा कि बच्चों के लिए जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड की जाएगी तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगा और आपके एंड में आ जाएगा।
Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hopefully you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your maths class of grade 6. Dear students, today we will do exercise number 2.1, question number 2, which is on page number 16. Question is, find GCD and LCM of the following numbers. GCD stands for greatest common divisor. LCM stands for least common multiple. Question 1 is 16 and 24. Right question again. First we will find the prime factors of 16 and 24 by prime factorization method. Prime factors of 16 are 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Prime factors of 24 are 2 by 2 by 2 by 3. Now we will find the common factors. In prime factors of 16 and 24, the common factors are 2 and 2. Again, common factor of 16 and 24 is 2. Again, this common factor of 16 and 24 is 2. Dear students, now we will find the GCD. We will write all the common factors here. 2 by 2 by 2. Now multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the GCD. Now we will find LCM. First we will write the common factors, then after writing the common factors we will write the remaining factors. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So the LCM is 48. The question is 36, 44 and 72. We will write the question again. Now we will find the prime factors of 36, 44 and 72. Prime factors of 36 are 2 by 2 by 3 by 3. Now we will find the prime factors of 44. Prime factors of 44 are 2 by 2 by 11. Prime factors of 72 are 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 by 3. Now we will find the common factors. In 36, 44 and 72, the common factor is 2. Again, the common factor is 2. Now we will find the GCD. We will write all the common factors. Now multiply these two factors. 2 2s are 4. GCD is 4. Now we will find LCM. First we will write common factors. Common factors are 2 by 2. 3 is also a common factor. In 36 and 72, we will write it in LCM just once. There is one more pair of 3, so we'll write 3 once more. Now write the remaining factors 2 and 11. Now multiply 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 2s are 72, 72 11s are 792. So the LCM is 792. I hope you have understood. Now I am assigning you homework. This is your homework. Find GCD and LCM of the following numbers. Do the homework well.
वालदेन से गुजारिश है कि दिया गया होमवर्क अपनी निगरानी में करवाएं और इसका टेस्ट खुद या ट्यूटर से करवा के इसकी पिक्चर लेकर स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड कीजिए ताकि टीचर बच्चे का होमवर्क चेक कर सके। व्हाट्सएप करने के लिए स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 032431000802। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।